so in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to buy vacant land on Zillow. I'm going to explain the process and things and tips and tools that you can use to buy, making your land search on Zillow a lot easier. So the first thing is you got to understand, so Zillow is a company that kind of posts MLS listings, which basically means it's a traditional approach where you would work with a realtor where sellers would sell or that are looking to sell their property would list it with a realtor, and you as a potential buyer are looking at that listing. So on Zillow, the first thing is there are filters for you to narrow down your search, so you're not looking through houses, mobile homes, and all these other different types of real estate. On Zillow, there's a filter tab, and you can basically just select lots/land for sale. So that's the first way that you can, narrow down your search. And the next thing you'd want to do is look for the price range. If you have a specific number in mind that you're looking to spend on your piece of land, it's often very helpful to add that, because there's no reason to look for something that's, millions of dollars if you're not ready to purchase it. So adding, make sure that you select lots/land for sale, put in your price range, and also if you have specific areas where you're looking for land, you can select that, by putting in the county or the state or the zip code where you're looking to buy land. You can also look for land that is near you. They have this thing called current location, where you can click that and it'll show you all the pieces of land that is close to where you're located currently, where there's land for sale. So that's the first thing. The first thing is to find some potential properties that you're interested in. And the next step on Zillow is you're gonna see a listing agent, a realtor that is representing the seller of that piece of land. So what you can do is you can actually call them or leave a message where they'll call you back. And the realtor pretty much will, maybe schedule a time for you to go see the property and can tell you more things about it, like more information on zoning, what the land is, the access, and all the technical details. So when you're buying land traditionally, the realtor is going to be your best source of information, and you can often get more information from the seller through the realtor. So the next thing is, once you've seen the land and you're ready to purchase the piece of land, the realtor will walk you through the next steps in purchasing. And not every realtor will, they specialize in land. So more often than not, if they're already listing a piece of land that's for sale, they can connect you with people realtors who can represent you in the transaction as the buyer, and a title company and an attorney. So when you're buying land on the MLS or Zillow or Redfin or wherever, you can often, the realtor is going to be your best bet. You're going to want to get as much information as you can from them, and they'll be able to walk you through the rest of the transaction. So it's kind of a simple overview on how you can buy land. You can start that search today by going on Zillow or downloading their app or something. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just thought we get this question a lot. So that's pretty much how that process works. First thing, find the piece of land that you like on Zillow using their search tools and things like that. Contact the realtor. If you're interested, ask them what's the next steps, and they should be able to help you from there.